Dear Kyle, we built a super clean water-cooled PC inside of our new NV5 case. We challenge you to rebuild the system using these parts, but no you can't because you suck at building PCs. Lol. Sincerely, Phanteks. P.S. We texted you a photo and wish you good luck, but won't hold our breath because the truth is... you suck. You know what, Phanteks? No, the joke's on you, okay? Because building super clean all-white PCs is one of my specialties. I've been doing this for years. I'm gonna recreate this PC to a T, and nothing, and I mean nothing, is gonna stand in my... Wow! Oh God, what's happening? Oh God, if only this was staged! Ah! Before we continue, this video is brought to you in part by CDKeyOffer.com. So I have 3 desktop PCs that I regularly bounce between, and all of them are running activated copies of Windows from keys that I got on CDKeyOffer.com. I've used many key sites in the past, but CDKeyOffer is the only one I've never had an issue with. I've never had a bad key, I've never had to call customer service, I've never had to email customer support, and I've never had to activate Windows over a phone, which is super fun. Right now you can get a Windows 10 Pro OEM key for around $22, but wait! Add it to your cart, use the 25% discount code BITWIT.TECH at checkout, and the price drops to just $16.93. Buy Grabthar's hammer, what a savings. To use your new key, just go to your purchased orders from the drop-down menu to view and copy the key once you get there, and then paste that key into the Windows activation page. Voila! You've got an activated OS that's also eligible for a free upgrade to Windows 11. Alternatively, you can skip the upgrade and buy Windows 11 Pro directly using the same code BW20 to snag the OS for around $23. Activate the key using the aforementioned steps and get the full Windows experience easily and affordably. Thanks again to CDKeyOffer.com. Now back to the main video.
That was a mega bite. Bitten by a radioactive spider from hell. I hate it when that happens. Where was I? Yes, accepting a build challenge to show the world my epic skills. Although, I now find this PC detestable. I could never recreate something so white and pure. If only the parts they sent me were black. My new little friend here must have bitten all the white components, turning them as black as my soul. To hell with this heavenly rig. I shall build instead its evil twin, a doppelganger darker than the inside of a gamer's wallet. Once complete, my tower of terror will be unstoppable! Allergy season. Behold, mortals, the Phanteks NV5. What better chambers for a PC of the damned? Witness the insides of your infernal creation through its seamless glass panels, a window into the abyss of the machine's soul. Its layer houses colossal GPUs and their 12-volt high-power cables, so you can set your graphics beasts free to conquer the realm of low FPS. And fear not the dust devils, for the ultra-fine performance mesh design allows the winds of damnation to flow with unrestricted malevolence. Revel in the case's mind-bending support for 2 360 radiators and 8 120mm fans for cooling performance colder than a demon's heart. A removable PSU cover is offered as a tribute for easy access and installation, making sure your upgrade rituals are swift and merciless. The NV5's integrated digital RGB lighting summons hues of chaos and maleficent colors at your wicked whim, while an included GPU support bracket ensures your infernal artifact stays chained under your control. Now, you may remember earlier this year at Computex, Phanteks proclaimed the initial cost of the NV5 to be $129.99. However, heed this monstrous update. The black version shall now torment mortals at a mere $99.99, and the white version at $109.99. Why, you ask? Well, Phanteks, in a display of diabolic magnanimity, decided to summon more NV5 beasts from the depths of production, thereby reducing the cost of the damned materials. Instead of hoarding the spoils, they've chosen to appease the earthly customers, forsaking some of their own unholy gains by lowering the MSRP of the NV5. A true sacrifice for the cause of infernal value! Behold the heart of the beast. The AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D serves as the core of this unholy contraption. You see what I did there? Faster than a bat out of hell in every cursed task, this processor is absolutely to die for. I did it again. The CPU shall be shackled to the Asus ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi. A beauty in the demon's eye, and I'll see whoever named it in hell. Alongside the beastly heart, 32 gigs of DDR5 memory and 1 terabyte of NVMe storage shall be enslaved, all powered by the Phanteks Revolt 1000 watt PSU. Ah, the premium cable kit from CableMod, a perfect fit for this infernal assembly. One can select the Phanteks case and PSU on CableMod's accursed website, and it configures your cables to the perfect length. It's as easy as spotting Lizzo from space. For the GPU, Phanteks has graced us with an Asus ROG Strix RTX 4080, and they've saved me the hassle by pre-installing their own water block. A welcome gesture, as I've just had a manicure. Phanteks, the purveyor of darkness, hath provided the custom water cooling hardware as well, with an assortment of radiators, blocks, fittings, and more. This PC will be cold enough to freeze the Dark Lord's tits off. Joining the battle against hellacious heat is a choir of Phanteks T3120 fans. Thicker blades for heavy airflow, daisy chain support to vanquish cable clutter, and digital RGB lighting that sears your retinas. The D30 sits on the throne of frigid wings. Lost souls seeking any of this hellish hardware can find links in the fiery pits of the video description. Now, let us make haste and commence the assembly of this diabolic beast. The hour of reckoning is nigh. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Behold! The profane ritual is complete. This vile creation is a sight to behold, crafted by a genius, no doubt. It stands as an absolute powerhouse, capable of incinerating tasks while maintaining an eerie, whisper-quiet facade. Why, you'd hardly notice its presence were it not so bewitching. Clearly, my abominable beast surpasses its feeble holy twin in every dark dimension. Oh. Though Phanteks may kneel in awe of my PC building prowess, they do possess the knowledge to forge a wicked case. The cavernous interior and sinfully feature-rich design of the NV5 accommodates the heap of hardware with devilish comfort. The strong airflow backed by the case's thermal performance allows the components to revel in their full potential. As you can see, the NV5 delivers all the accursed elements needed to fashion the rig of your nightmares. And with its outrageous MSRP reduction, you'll find a better value chassis when hell freezes over. Ah, the eight-legged herald speaks. What's that? Bestow our creation to one of these poor mortals to spread its evil to the world? What a terribly awful idea. I love it. You heard the arachnid correctly. If you dare seek the beast, venture into the video description and perhaps, just perhaps, the beast shall find you. Now vanquish from my infernal presence, mortals. My to-do list of evil tasks awaits, starting with the dreadful revelation to a child that Santa is not but a mere illusion. Oh, very well, you can come along. Just don't bite me again. My arm itches like hell.